Now, one thing I want to talk about is something like a gotcha with count. And let me go to our table product. Let me select everything from our product table. And as you can see here, we have 4 rows that we inserted. And as you can see here, we have these 4 values, and this is null. Now, let's say I want to count all the product details ID from the product table. Now, what is the answer? It will give me 3. Why? Because the count function doesn't take into account null values. So if I go again, because this is null, the count function doesn't add this row. And so you need to remember this, because you can have this gotcha. So how would we fix this? Instead of just putting the column name, we can put here the entire row. So now it will basically look into the entire row and it will give us the actual value. So you can have this gotcha with count, and also when you are using it with group by.